This is stock number B21182. It is a 2013 Yamaha 240 SX HO, as you can see, on a tandem axle trailer with spare. Comes with a mooring cover and a bimini top. Twin engine jet, of course. 180 horsepower each. Yamaha jets. Got a removable table that fits in a bracket either here on the stern. Real nifty area out the back for hanging out on the hook out in the bay. But you can also move the table up into the cockpit. You can see the bracket there. Real easy entry boat. Walk through transom. Nice pattern non-skid. Good traction. Nice U-shaped seating astern. Flip up bolsters for both the captain and the first mate. Stereo on the dash. Got a compartment here for storage. Would work for a porta potty if someone wanted to. Nice big bow seating area. Anchor locker forward with boarding ladder. Nice feature. Here are the twin 180 horsepower HO Yamaha jet engines. Very accessible. Clean boat. Ready for boating. Once again, 2013 Yamaha 240 SX HO, under 300 hours, available for showing right here at the showroom in Belmare Harbor. Please give a call. Thank you.